Hey guys, welcome back to Time. We're reopening this like real little shop big thingy majiki. I'm excited. I had one of these as well, like last time, but this time I have like new little characters. So yeah. Sorry about that. I'm still wearing my school t-shirt. I mean my school Friday t-shirt. I don't know why, but by the way, welcome back to Time. Why is it here? Because she's playing her on her iPad. So yeah, I'm so strong. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Why did I say Oche? Strange. I guess I like to say it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm kind of annoying. I'm gonna admit. Mama, are you serious? Oh well. Did she saw her way? Yes, my mom. But let's get back to the fun stuff. I mean the card stuff. This is literally so hard to open. Why did I even get this hard thing to open? It's so frustrating. Why am I telling them? I have no idea. Why am I telling them? I don't know. Oh, well. I will stop maybe. Okay. So basically, I'm trying to open these things. I have one more. Also, I am gonna keep some of like the wood, some of like this type of wood because it's like cool. Just this cool. That's how that looks. I don't know why that's there. Oh well. Let's see. That juicy stuff. So yeah, that's how we kept our stuff. And now we have the juicy stuff. Let's knock that one off. Okay, you ready? Oh my god! Oh, we have 3 little mystery surprises. That is so adored. Did you guys ever know that? Give me a second. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna look at those. So we have this. Here, this is called some chef, like little bread with like little stuff inside. Isn't it cute? I think he's blushing. I'm not sure. I watched not that much blushing movies, so yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we have next this little like little ice cream. Guess what? They spelled crunch wrong. It's CRUNCH, but they spelled it KRUNCH. What's wrong with them? See? It's with a K. Okay. Okay, I just gotta open it. Yeah, this is how the little shopkin looks. Isn't it cute? I'm gonna store them in this. I'm gonna grab something real quick. That's why you're not gonna see me. So yeah, give me a second. Oh, sorry, Pa. Give me a sec. Okay, but yeah. Oh, I'm gonna store them in these. Give me a sec. So I have this little thing I'm gonna store it into. I'm gonna flip that open so I can store some in there. We're also gonna store some in here. And guess what? We can't forget a little Shopkin shop cart. We have these 2. I'm gonna put one there. One there. Yeah. I don't know if I'm showing you. Hopefully I am. But yeah. Yeah, that's it. Wait, I have a better idea. I should have done that. I'm so dumb. Oh well. I see a little piece. Oh, sorry. I'm holding it like on my table. That's why I might have a little piece. Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but I think I already have that one. You kidding me? Oh wait, let's continue. Ooh, we have ice cream. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to get out the ice cream. That ice cream tastes horrible. I thought it would taste good. Give me something to open that ice cream. It's the like popsicle ice cream. We got this kind. Where's the face? Yep. I don't know why I'm trying to eat it. Truly do not eat these. They're disgusting. They're not like the real version. Trust me, they aren't. Okay, we're gonna put that in this shopping cart as well. That one's almost full. Oof. Okay, so yeah, you just got a sneak peek of that. So happy that day. It's gonna come on me, something in it. Laura, my thing came. Look. I just got a picture of my sister. Yeah. We're gonna take out the Pringles. I'm not that excited of the Pringles. I was more excited for ice cream because I'm craving some ice cream right now. But since I already ate ice cream today, I can have another. Pringles can. These are the Pringles. Oop. Again, I mean, they also do not have the real facts. They just have the like ding fact thingy on the top. We're gonna move you. We have you now on there. Okay, now this card is truly full. We will move on to the tiny shopping cart. Milk is a real shocking. Okay. Sorry if you disturb. It's just the noise that it's making from my toy opening video. Again, does not have the real writing, but it still looks really realistic. I don't know why, but I always think the spoon is really squishy on the Shopkins. I don't know why. So, little like mac and cheese in these. It's not mac and cheese, but like related to mac and cheese. I love these. I have one of these, but like not truly it. This is so squishy. Someone was calling you. What? Never mind. Yeah. But yeah, this is so squishy. This is not squishy, but yeah. How does this open? Right here? No, by the bottom. Next time I get it out, I'm gonna do this like, oh, let me grab some. Disgusting. Truly never tried that at home. We're gonna put you in the shopping cart. By that cart, I mean the tiny cart. You can actually fit like 5 things in there. Okay, I don't know why I did that. That was so embarrassing. I'm sorry. Oh my lord! What the heck did I just do? Don't mind on my laughterness. And also, if you hear noise in the background, it's probably my dog right there. No, that's not my dog. That's Blanket. Or maybe my puppies. I'm not sure. Maybe after this video, I'm going to show you my puppies. Possibility. There's a possibility. We don't know if there's a possibility. Oh, so these. Oh my gosh. I wish you could open them, but they can like actually move. They make noise. And they're like frosted flakes. I hate frosted flakes. Sorry all of you frosted flakes lovers, but I literally hate it so much. I hate frosted flakes.
You don't like them?
Yeah, I don't like them. They're disgusting. So we have 2 more, and then we're going to the 3 mystery surprises. And why not have to just open the poppet? It's still in the bag, but yeah. Yeah, sorry. I'm just listening to me. With some waffles. Some Eggos. Like from 11. 11 likes Eggos.
Mama.
Oh my gosh, 11 Stranger Things likes Eggos. It's a poppet. I saw it was coming on May 17th. I don't know why. Laura, are you serious? Ice cream. Laura, put it down. But yeah, Laura, look in the camera. I see Pringles. Yeah, that's my sister from Twins Life, obviously. Okay, I got them. They're like clue, little. Laura, you want to open that poppet? I know you do. Ugh, it's sparkly. Ugh. Oh, I poked the hole, yay. Laura, no! No more poppets. No more poppets. Give me that. No. Give me that. Okay, but then I get to open a. Fine, but then give me that. Okay, there we go. Yeah, you gotta open a surprise. So yeah, my sister is also opening one, and I opened 2. I bet I'll get a better one than you. Oh, you'll see. And you're gonna like mine way better. Okay. What did you get? Nothing yet. Okay, it's an ice cream. I got a duplicate. Some Eggos from 11 from Stranger Things. Ah! I'm gonna open the Shopkin now. There's a Shopkin inside. Did you forget? Yeah, I know that. Okay, I forgot. Oh, but these are different type of Eggos. My other one looks different. Ah! We also have another Eggo. Oh, it's the Eggo pancakes. Now the Eggo waffles. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Shopkin. Oh, this is our Shopkin. Yeah, mine was better. No, mine's better. Mine literally was from Stranger Things. Mine's ice cream. Jeez. Why so aggressive? Okay. We have some pie. Cherry pie. Yep, cherry pie.
Making my hair. Look.
Yep, cherry pie. Adore.
You want to come here?
Oh my gosh, what is wrong with my face?
Eaten by the dogs?
Yeah, that's I'm talking about. Mama, when are we gonna bury Carl? Yeah, I basically wanted to put this down. Let me just sit on Carl. Yeah, he does. But yeah, opening a poppet. Where the hole? When's he gonna disappear? Is it possible for you? Wait, they have little letters on them.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Mommy! Mama, it has letters on them. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have 5 puppets now. Wait, no, is it 4? It's more than 4. I'm gonna show you all the puppets I have. Let me move this. This is a long video. So yeah, of course, we have the ice cream. They actually have like little letters on them. Yeah, give me a second. I might be missing one because I don't have my heart puppet with me right now. By the way, I got my heart puppet like at Claire's. But yeah, I have this from Amazon. Okay. I have this from Amazon. This from Five Below. By a friend. yeah, those are all my pockets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 popping bits. Hope you guys enjoy our video. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you even liked it, you could maybe comment if the comments are turned on because my mom's posting this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for like more than 10 subscribers. I really like it. But don't forget, in 2 days is my Easter. Yeah, my Easter's on May 2nd. So excited. But also, don't forget to hit that like bell button. I don't really know how to say it. But hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Don't forget don't forget about Laura. I mean, you could forget about her, but yeah, anyways, bye.